Hey guys, my name's Jack. I'm a volunteer for Footprints, and today my friend Katie is going to be teaching you guys how to make pumpkin bread. Hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, so we got all our ingredients right here. I got my recipe, so let's get started. First off, we need 2 cups of vegetable oil. I'm going to measure these out. Kind of backwards here, but it's okay. Alright, here's 1. And then the second one. Here's 2, just enough. Alright, now let's see what's next. We need sugar, so we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar, which is right here. So, big cup here. Got a lot of sugar. Alright, here's 2 cups. This one we add 2 cups of pumpkins. I may also do this in here just to be safe. Alright, here's 1 cup. And second cup. And now we have to add 5 eggs. That's a lot of eggs. So, there's 1. Here's 2. And the last one. 5. All right. I'm gonna mix this up. I'll be back shortly. All right, so we got this all mixed up. You can see right here. And now we're gonna add all the dry ingredients. So first off, we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So that's this right here. Put that on the side. And then next we're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Here's 1. Here's 2. Got that. And then same thing of nutmeg this time. Alright, now we are going to add, let's see, 3 cups of flour, some flour. Here's 1 cup. And 2 cups. Oops, almost missed the bowl there. 3 cups. All right, so we got our flour. Next we need baking powder, so different baking soda. And we're doing 2 teaspoons of that. Here's 1. Here's 2. All right, and the last thing we're gonna add is some Jell-O, which is kind of fun. It's actually just plastic, but it looks like Jell-O. 2 packages of this. You can use vanilla vanilla or coconut pudding mix for this. I'm using vanilla right now, but typically we use coconut. Alrighty. Keeps coming. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna mix this and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm gonna spray the pan we got here. Look how fun this pan is. Can you see that? Got some pumpkins on it for the season. So I'm gonna spray this real fast, make sure it doesn't stick, or with the sink so it doesn't go everywhere. Alright, should be good. And now we are gonna put this in here. And then you put it in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes, so it kind of takes a while. But it's worth it in the end. It's a family favorite. And I want to make sure I leave enough room at the top so that the pumpkin bread can rise and it doesn't kind of overflow. Do one more scoop. Alright, just kind of like even it out. Alright, so this is about good. And then as you can see, we got some extra right here, so I might make some muffins too. But I'll see you in a bit once it's done. All right, hello everyone. So the pumpkin bread is out of the oven, so I'm gonna show you the finished product. So here we go. You can see the cute little design on there. And I had so much extra batter that I made some muffins too. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching. Bye.